Okay, so this is Stacey, who's done day 2 on the permanent makeup startup course with Katy. So Stacey, you obviously come from a non-beauty background.
I do, yes. No experience whatsoever.
No experience whatsoever. Yet Kate said you've got on very, very well with your brows and things.
Yeah, quite surprisingly, it's kind of come quite natural, and I've just kind of got on and enjoyed what I was doing, and it's kind of shown in the work that we've done.
Excellent. And did you think that you'd be this sort of confident and this good at doing the hair strokes and the combination effect and the different brow techniques?
Coming in, I was totally oblivious to what it would be how I would be taught, and I'm quite surprised at the results. So yeah, was nervous, but kind of soon went out the window as soon as I had hold of the blade and the machine. Yeah,
excellent. So, and you're looking forward to actually working on some real clients soon then?
Oh, definitely. I can't wait. Get my hands on those eyebrows and lips and eyes, yeah.
Excellent. And obviously a lot of practicing in between as well.
Yeah. Loads of different skins to get going on, just to adjust to see how the different skins take to the inks, yeah. So.
Excellent. And did you find that your questions have sort of been answered, or is there any sort of things that you're still a little bit unsure on? I know you haven't done live models yet, but from where you were yesterday morning to now?
No, it's kind of just came quite quickly, and I'm going away feeling quite happy, yeah. So
excellent.
And excited.
Brilliant. And we'll look forward to catching up with you very shortly with the live model training.
Yes, can't
and
wait for that.
You've got a bit of a trek back, so how many hours is that going to be?
5 hours in the car. Hopefully it's not longer.
Excellent. We'll have a good trip back, and we'll look forward to catching up with you for your live model training very shortly.
Great, yes.
Cheers, Stacey.
Thanks.